What's up, everyone? I'm here today to tell you about one of my absolute favorite tools in the garage, the HP Tools hydraulic lift stand. This is one of those things that you never really know you need it until you have it, and then you wonder how you worked on your bike without it. To my fellow Moto dads, you guys are going to understand exactly what I'm talking about with this one. When I have my kids out around the garage or working on the bike with me, the last thing I want is for the bike to fall over on me. Thanks to the D-rings and the hooks that this stand comes with, hooks your foot pegs down, holds the bike secure, and keeps that from happening. With the hydraulic lift, you can raise your bike up to the perfect height. That means easier maintenance, being able to see things you might have normally missed, and maybe, best of all, no more backaches from bending over the whole time. This stand is available at MotoSport with or without wheels, depending on what works best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the page, and keep an eye on our socials at MotoSport Inc. for more gear rundowns, garage essentials, and who knows what else from the moto world. Thanks for watching.